Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I will teach you 5 words more, but before I teach you 5 words more, I remind the previous lesson 1. So lesson 1 we study about có, khó, gỡ, khờ, ngờ. So after we remind the previous lesson, we will start a new 5 words more. Có, khó, gỡ, khờ, ngờ. Okay, let's start. Let's go to next word. Welcome to the news part 2. Okay, we start a new word. Okay. Today we study 5 consonants more. Okay, the first one is chó, 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 chớ, 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 nhiều, nhiều, nhiều. Okay, read again, follow me. Chó, chó, chớ, chớ, nhiều. Let's to read one word. Chó, chó, sorry, chó, 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 chớ, 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 nhiều, nhiều. Okay, now you know new 5 words, so please try to remember more and read and try by yourself to remember it very well. If you don't understand something or have something, you can comment to me. I will explain you more about the consonant or vowel or all words that you want to know. I comment to me, I will reply back to you. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to get a new part 3 video. Okay, goodbye.